So excited to do a little progress checkup on our beautiful new construction home that we're building right now. So 2 weeks ago, believe it or not, there was nothing here, just the foundation, none of this framing, and our sister company, Sonora Vision, has been handling all of this build from the ground up. So as you can see behind me, this is cool. It's really coming to life, and this is how fast our crews can work. So 2024 has been really fun for Living Arizona, our real estate group, because we've expanded into much more than just the traditional real estate, putting a sign up and listing and selling homes. We can do so much more. We can bring you off-market homes. We can do custom home building and design for you. So if you're somebody out there who's not finding what you want on the MLS, we can actually help you pick out a lot, help you design the home, and get you a custom built home as well with our sister company, Sonora Vision. So it's really fun to be able to do so much more than just, the old school traditional buying and selling of real estate. So excited to take you guys as a tour through this. And then I can't wait for you to see what it looks like at the end, because this is crazy. This is a beautiful custom built home in North Scottsdale, over by Scottsdale and Thunderbird. It's gonna look so cool. Amazing, amazing design, huge soaring ceilings. Let's walk through. I'll kind of tell you the vision a little bit. All right, so this is my favorite part of this whole property. So we're in North Scottsdale. We're in the area where you don't really have HOAs, which is cool because you have bigger lots, but the drawback is a lot of times these properties are ranch style, like low ceilings, and they don't have that modern feel. This is really cool. We have these huge, crazy soaring ceilings. And then when you walk up to the property, you're gonna have this big view. This is one of the coolest, biggest, awesome kitchens I've seen. It's gonna look all the way back out to the yard, pool back there. So really, really clever modern design, 4-car garage. It brings all of the things that you want in a modern, elegant luxury home to an area that has beautiful lots. I mean, this is perfect. You can't ask for a better location in North Scottsdale, and this home's gonna fit right in. I'm excited to whoever buys this, you're getting an amazing, amazing luxury home. So we're starting to share more of these projects with everybody because we want you to know there's more that we can do than just list a home on the MLS or show you properties that are listed on the MLS and Zillow, right? We have access to off-market homes. We've done assumable loans. We have really, really cool stuff that gives you a big advantage, whether you're a first-time buyer, you're an experienced luxury buyer, you want to do a custom home building, you want to be an investor. We have so many opportunities to bring you now. So if you have some goals in 2025 of buying real estate, investing, selling, heck, if you want to build, we would love to help you. We can bring you so many resources with Living Arizona and our rockstar team of agents. We're up to 20 agents now. They're all highly trained, amazing people who can really give you amazing service. And then we have our sister company, Sonora Vision. So we can do remodels, kitchen upgrades, bathrooms. We can do custom full ground up builds. Anything you need, we'd love to be a resource for you in 2025, whether you want to buy, invest, sell, renovate, or build, we got you covered.